Today I will introduce you our new LED floodlight, FL39. The material is die-cast aluminum with good anti-corrosion and heat-sink performance, and it is hot-dip galvanized and spray-treated. 4 mm tempered glass with high impact resistance IK08, and we can add PIR sensor here. The screw can be 0 to 240 adjusted, allows for precise installation. The brass valve here can balance the internal and external temperature. The bracket can also be adjusted. For LED chips, we use LUMILEDS or Osram with high luminaire efficiency. For driver, we use